Just make a bead all the way?
Yeah.
Dude, this is gonna use so much of this stuff.
Don't worry. Just make a fairly skinny bead. Doesn't need to be. It's gonna flatten out. Do we need it for the oil pan? Isn't it cool that this is the thing that makes 250 horsepower? This little block of iron, when suitably assembled.
That's the key, right? When suitably assembled.
Okay.
Bead.
Bead. And where's the dome thing?
So was there somewhere?
Okay.
So this thing is like filled with stuff now?
Yeah, just don't leave it on. Leave it there.
Okay.
And we'll just poke a hole with the pin when we want it again. Or you can put that other thing back on, I don't know.
I didn't know what you were putting on.
It only goes this way, I think.
Yeah, don't.
There's nothing else that we need to put in here, right?
You're committed now.
I'm pretty sure. Well, I already had one experience in which I put things back on and I had $100 setback because one-time use bolts had to be then removed and.
You have all the parts now?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh.
So I'll get them onto you.
Just give me the...
So you guys are gonna be done this weekend?
Hey, Dave, can you give me the hex?
Yeah, 1 second, okay.
It's right there on the shelf. Left side. Right, yep.
Is this the right one? That's too big, I think.
I don't think so. Dang.
I think it's actually the skinniest. No. Next. Actually, you can use the
Driver.
Yeah, I think I have it.
Yeah, that would be perfect for this. So how's life, dude? What you been up to? Was Christine's place good?
Yeah. It was just like it's Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But you're in Chinese.
Her mom gave me $50, so that was pretty nice.
Yeah, it's like, sure, I'm Chinese.
Yeah. I'll do whatever you want me to do. It was nice. Hung out with her sister.
Are you flying out tomorrow then?
Yeah. Are you? Kind of a short
See.
weekend.
Yeah, well, considering it's already Saturday, yeah.
Wait, what is it? It's a hex bit of some kind.
Yep, it's a 5mm.
Okay.
We're going Pete's next, right?
Yeah,
That'll be fun.
we'll see. Apparently she's not very good, but...
Oh, it's outpatient? Oh. You don't do inpatient Pete's?
You can.
Oh, inpatient's better.
I know. You don't need to rub it
No, outpatient's fun.
in. Except outpatient sucks.
Hello.
Hi.
I've been here.
Yeah, right. You just came out of that box, right?
Hey, Dad.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I think I pretty much already got them.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I couldn't find the stupid bit here.
Anyway,
Ah,
can I get the extension?
Which?
For the quarter? 3/8.
3/8.
Tom's still in London?
No, he
He's not
came back.
Oh, okay.
It's now in New York.
Oh, still fun.
Well, yeah. But I mean, it's like being in Davis, going to undergrad. Except it's not at all like Davis.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
It's like about as far removed from Davis as you can get.
Oh, yeah.
Davis in its pastoral setting.
From like a farm to like
Oh wait,
legitimate
when'd
city.
you get those brown shoes?
Oh,
They're
a
cool.
while ago. Yeah, I like them a lot.
Yeah. Are they comfortable?
Yeah, they're actually pretty comfortable. They're
Yeah.
Johnston and Murphy, so they're like decent.
Yeah.
They were like 150, but we got them for 90.
Yeah.
Good looking shoes. All about the deal.
Yeah.
How's
Well,
a Tesla? I saw that autopilot.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. It's fast.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
The P100D with
This is the
insanity
newest-
mode. Ludicrous mode.
Yeah.
I always say insanity mode. Ludicrous.
So I think there was an insane mode in the previous one.
Oh, is that what it was called before?
And they had
It's really fast. It's insane how fast it is, and it's a cool car. I think it's a little bit excessive for what it does, but
I mean, which is what? Like, if you're just talking about taking you from point A to B, then I mean,
oh yeah.
all cars are really.
But it's
excessive.
really cool at this point in time because it's one of the only cars that drives itself, right? So, but then every car is going to be doing that in the next
20 years.
5 to 10 years.
I think 5 to 10.
5 to 10.
I think it's a bit early.
No, like the technology's already there, so like all the
Well, actually, the technology isn't really already there.
Oh.
They're all experimenting with the technologies to do it. I mean, Google's the ones that's been at it for the longest, and they don't really have a. They kind of got out of it, right? They kind of got out of making their own car.
So are you saying that Tesla even
Does this
hasn't
need to be
figured it
torqued?
out yet, or Tesla's
No,
just
I-
way ahead of the game?
Does this need to be torqued?
I don't think.
So this is
10 Newton meters. Let's do 10 Newton meters.
Okay.
Which is like roughly about this tight. Store at lowest setting, which I failed to do.
Can't you just use the little one then?
You can. You can use a little one, but you need the quarter inch. You need a different bit.
Bit. We don't have.
Oh, just tighten it, man.
I did.
Okay, good. It's not gonna. It's not. This is yeah, fine. This is not load bearing. It's just sealing. Okay, next.
Thanks to the banjo thing. Hey, you want coffee or something?
Oh, I'm good, thanks.
You sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah,
Mr. UC Irvine School of Medicine displaying your stuff right there?
This is the only jacket I brought home.
Uh huh.